A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers and Mission IBPS therefore welcomes you to this video. And we are on another Sunday, and today we are going to see the agriculture current affairs between 30th of May to 5th of June 2021. And come on, let's get into the video. Make a note with your paper and pen. Very firstly, the Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative Limited, that is your IFFCO, has introduced the world's first nano urea liquid for farmers during its 50th annual general body virtual meeting, and the production of nano urea liquid will commence by June 2021, and the scientists have developed indigenous nano urea liquid at the Nano Biotechnology Research Center at Kalol, Gujarat, in line with Atmanirbhar Bharat and Atmanirbhar Krishi. And the nano urea liquid is efficient for the plant nutrition, and it also increases the production with improved nutritional quality. And then it will create a huge positive effect on the quality of underground water, and it reduces the global warming with an impact on climate change and sustainable development. And about IFFCO, the managing director is Dr. U.S. Awasthi, and then the headquarters is in New Delhi. And then the Common Services Centers E-Governance India Limited has unveiled a unique, and look here, we can get into grammar now. It is U here, which is a vowel, so we have to put an, the article an, before this unique, but here it is yeah. This is because wherever the sound of U, unique, uniform, union, that is UNI arises, there you should put a instead of an, and it is one of the important grammar rules, remember. And we can go into the news. Agri Services Portal that will act as one-stop destination and marketplace for the small farmers. And the main aim of this is to empower the small and marginal farmers who constitute 86% of our India's farming community. And about this Agri Services e-marketplace, it will provide services to small and marginal farmers who do not have easy access to the digital world. And the facilities provided includes buying agri input products with the help of village level entrepreneurs and farmer producer organization through Kisan E-Mart, and then renting and hiring of agricultural implements and machinery through the MOVR application hosted in the portal. And then soil testing, and then sale of the farm produce, telecommunications with scientists of KVK, and then loan insurance facility. Coming to the next, World Milk Day is annually observed across the globe on 1st of June. Remember, it is World Milk Day, but India's Milk Day is celebrated on November 26. I have already given in the important dates and years video. And as World Milk Day is celebrated on June 1 to create awareness about the milk and to highlight the importance of milk. And the day aims to celebrate the dairy sector across the globe to promote activities connected with milk and milk industry. And the theme of the World Milk Day focuses on sustainability in the dairy sector with messages around the environment, nutrition and socio-economics. Coming to the next, a virtual meeting between our Agriculture Minister and the Australian Agriculture Minister, Mr. David Littleproud, was virtually held on 1st of June, and in that meeting they have discussed about the Indian mangoes and pomegranates in the Australian markets led by the Indian High Commission in Canberra, and the Australian minister assured to fast track the Indian request for market access for okra and pomegranate arils. Coming to the next, the Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Mr. Narendra Singh Tomar, virtually launched the Horticulture Cluster Development Program. And then the program will be implemented in the pilot phase in 12 horticulture clusters out of the total 53 clusters selected for the program. And then this cluster development program will be implemented by the National Horticulture Board of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. And the important key points of this cluster development program is it will benefit about 10 lakh farmers and the related stakeholders of the value chain, and it improve the exports of the targeted crops by 20% and attract an estimated investment of 10,000 crore after being implemented in all the 53 clusters. And these 12 clusters will be implemented through cluster development agencies. They will be appointed on the recommendations of the respective state or union territories government. Coming to the next, our Union Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Shri Giriraj Singh, announced the integration of eGopala app with Umang. Gopala stands for Generation of Wealth Through Productive Livestock, and Umang stands for Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance platform during the virtual program organized as a part of World Milk Day that is celebrated on 1st of June. And the Union Minister has also launched the Gopal Ratna Awards, the national awards for the cattle and dairy sector. Coming to the next, the Seed Mini Kit program was launched by our Agriculture Minister Shri Narendra Singh Tomar, and this enhances the production and productivity of pulses and oilseeds under the National Food Security Mission. And the Seed Mini Kit program mainly focuses to increase the production and productivity of pulses and oilseeds. Though there is a good production and productivity in the pulses and oilseeds, in the third advance estimates, he mentioned that the Seed Mini Kits is a major tool program for introducing new varieties of seeds in the farmer's field and is instrumental for increasing the seed replacement rate. And then Horticulture Department of Jammu and Kashmir has signed a memorandum of understanding with the airline carrier Go Airlines for transportation of perishable horticulture and agricultural produces to the various destinations. And the main key points are the MOU was signed in the presence of Principal Secretary Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Horticulture Departments, Mr. Naveen Kumar Chowdhury. And then under this MOU for transportation, the airline charge will be Rs 24 to Delhi and Rs 34 to Mumbai or Pune, and 47 to Chennai, 48 to Kolkata and 50 to Bangalore. And then it includes the transportation of cherry, plum and apricots, and Go Air was selected from the bid as it offered the low rates per kg for the transportation of perishable fruit produce. Next thing, our Union Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Shri Parshottam Rupala, launches the bamboo market page on Government e-Marketplace, that is GEM portal. Yes, the National Bamboo Mission and GEM have been working together for having a dedicated window on the GEM portal for marketing of bamboo goods, bamboo based products and quality bamboo materials, and resultant to the collaboration, a dedicated window named the Green Gold Collection for bamboo products was launched by the Union Minister of State Shri Parshottam Rupala. Coming to the next, and it is the final thing, our Union Minister signed the Memorandum of Understanding with 4 organizations for for implementing digital infrastructure projects using Kisan database on pilot basis for a period of 1 year. Let's go in detail. Yes, the four organizations are Patanjali Organic Research Institute, and then Amazon Web Services, and then ESRI India Private Limited, and then Agri Bazaar India Private Limited. And with this, the current affair for the previous week ends. And I hope the video will be very much useful to you. And thank you for all your supports. And do subscribe our channel for the next earliest updates. Thank you and see you all again.